Hi guys, and welcome to hotel management system developed using MS Access. So let me show you guys how it works. We click on this and enter new data. So let's say the customer reference number is that, and the name of the customer is Ola Jones. Address of Mr. Jones, Treehouse, and postcode. Telephone number of Mr. Jones there, and national. Let's go for, maybe it's from Kenya. Current date. Okay, let's say it's on the 12th, and when does Mr. Jones intend to leave? Let's say end of the month. Number of days will be calculated once this is created, this is clicked. And let's come in here and say is with his family, room number, extension with the room number, mail, date of birth, and let's enter 19, and identity type. Mr. Jones is a pilot and he intends to convert some money. Okay, and there. So now if we click on total, that will tell us the cost for the 19 days Mr. Ola Jones will be staying in our hotel. So what I'm going to do now is I'll take you guys straight into MS Access and we'll put one of these together. So let's do that now, guys. Hi and welcome to Access tutorial of hotel management system. Let's start by clicking on the blank database, give our project a name, hotel management system, and let's save it straight into the following area. And there, guys. Now let's create this database. Okay, the next thing I'd like to do now is I'm going to go to design view and let's give that a name as well, hotel management system. Click on OK, and I will start by calling that, my first field is going to be customer reference, and let's make that short. And the next one, first name, surname, address, postcode. Now we have customer, mobile phone or mobile phone. I'll just say mobile. And nationality, and here let's say we have room type, room number, room extension number, and okay, let's get rid of that dot. Okay, here we have, it's a current date, last rent date, and total number of days and customize details. That will be gender. Okay, this is how it looks now, but we then need to change the data type. Date type for total, we're going to make that currency. Subtotal, and the tax, we're going to make that currency as well. So those are the data type for those ones. And let's come in here. Identity type is going to be short text. Date, let's make date here, date and time. Gender, okay, the gender can always be yes or no. Okay, male or female. Right, let's change the format of that to male or female. Female or male, that's fine, either way. Alright, now total numbers of days, that will be numbers. This will be in date. Okay, and current date will be date as well. Room number will be numbers. Number of room. Type of room remains as. Okay, those are fine. And here, all others are fine. Right, so some more few modifications. We're going to get rid of this primary key and just maybe speed up the whatever modification will be required on the lookup here, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, let's just, I might as well just show it to you guys. Let's come back in here. Nationality, I'm going to expect that to be a Combobox, right? And let's look at type of room. It's going to be a Combobox as well. Combobox. Number of room, Combobox. And gender, let's make gender Combobox, male or female. Identity type, Combobox as well. Right. Okay, that will be all, but I think maybe we can even add more fields here. So that's going to be for currency, because there might be some form of exchange rate there. Currency, so that will be for the country, right? And here, let's call that currency. Currency entered, or the amount entered, amount entered. Then we have converted, let's call that currency converted. Right, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, in here, let's change this to Combobox because we have different countries' currency in there. Okay, we just call it. Okay, that's fine. Right, now that is all done, we'll make sure it's saved. Now, let's create a new table. Let's create a new table. This very new table, I'm going to call it. Let's right click on it and select design view, and let's give it a name. I'll call it currency. inside the currency we will have different countries. So let's get rid of this. I don't need that. I just need one field. Country, currency. Right. And I'm going to change this to short, and that's all. So let's come straight to country's currency and view it. And right in there we enter all the current country information. So let's say we have Brazil, and we have Canada. Let's go for India, Kenya, Indonesia, then we have Nigeria, let's see, Philippines, and in here we have USA. Those are the countries I would be using, and that's fine. So I'm going to close that, and I will also close this. Okay guys, I had to speed up the design of the rest of the table, which you guys can always take care of yourself. This is the gender table. I've only entered male and female, and if you want to see the design view, that's it. Then I have the currency. The currency table is just to do with different countries. You can view it as well there. So that. Then we have identify. We also have the room. It's just one column for each. Those are the fields I intend to use. I think this one is wrong. Let's get rid. Okay, I have to. Alright, let's get rid of this. Yeah, that's fine. Close it all first. Yeah, that's the one we need to get rid of. Okay, so all we need to now do is to go back to, let's go to create, and let's select form wizard and click on available. Okay, table. Let's select the table that we need. This is the main table I need. And then the available fields, I will select all the fields, click on next, and I'm selecting the first option there, and then click on modify the forms design, and click on finish. There, that's my form right there. So if I run it now, this is what you guys will see. Okay, it's not fully ready. There's still a lot of work to do. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is, let's exit. Let's just click on design view. On the design view, select the form itself. We need this form property. Okay, so let's select the form property itself there, and right there on the form, let's look for the background. I'd like to change that to something totally different. So click on the form, and there we go, back color. Select the back color, maybe that's going to be the color of my form. If I preview it, this is what you guys will see. Okay, but there's still a lot of work to be done. So I'm going to call it the end of the first part of this tutorial. I'll be back with the second part. See you guys later.